my dear students, welcome back to Appa Public School online session. I am Rashmi. I teach environmental science subject for class 1. So, before going to the topic, I am going to ask you one question. Okay? You find vegetables, fruits, spices, cereals and pulses in your kitchen. You find vegetables, fruits, spices, cereals and pulses and many more things in the kitchen. Where do all these things come from? Yes, tell me. Where do all these things come from? Yes, tell me. From plants. Yes or no? We get all these things from plants. Vegetables, fruits, cereals and pulses, spices. All these things come from plants. So today in this session we are going to learn a new chapter, that is chapter number 12, our plant friends. Okay. So, we see many plants around us. We see many plants around us. Some are small and some are big. Are plants living things or non-living things? Yes, tell me. Are plants living things or non-living things? Plants are also living things like us. They also need food, water, air to live. Do plants also have body parts like us? Do plants also have body parts like us? Yes, children? See, we have body parts. See, eyes, nose, ears. Yes or no, children? Plants also have different body parts like us. Plants also have different body parts like us. They are different from the body parts of animals, birds or human beings. Let us learn about parts of a plant. See here, children, parts of a plant. See here, root. R-O-O-T. Root. R-O-O-T. Root. See here, root. Then stem. S-T-E-M. Stem. L-E-A-F. Leaf. L-E-A-F. Leaf. Next, flower. F-L-O-W-E-R. Flower. Next, which part is this? Fruit. Yes. F-R-U-I-T. Fruit. Let us learn in detail. Okay. Identify which part is this? Yes, children? Yes. Roots. The roots are usually below the ground. It fixes the plant to the ground. A plant has many roots. Roots of many plants are eaten as food, such as beetroot, radish, carrot, etc. We eat these vegetables. It comes from roots of many plants. are eaten as food. Okay. Next, identify which part is this? Yes, stem part. The stem grows above the ground. The stem grows above the ground. Stem can be green or brown and can be thin or thick. You can see in the picture, children. It holds the plant upright. It can be hard or soft. Stems are the delivery system of the plant. Stems are the delivery system of the plant. Children, roots get water and nutrients from the soil. Roots get water and nutrients from the soil. And stems carry the water and nutrients throughout the plant. Stems carry the water and nutrients throughout the plant. So, stems are the delivery system of the plant. Stem carries water and minerals from the roots. See here, children. Stem carries water and minerals from the roots to the leaves and takes the food back down the plant to be distributed and stored. It supports the branches, leaves, flowers and fruits and connects them with the roots. Stems of many plants are eaten as food, such as potato, then ginger, we eat as food. Next, identify which part is this? Yes, leaf. It is usually green in color. Leaf is usually green in color. Some plants have different colored leaves. It makes food for the plant. Every plant has a different kind of leaf. Yes or no, children? Every plant has a different kind of leaf. Leaves of many plants are eaten as food. Leaves of many plants are eaten as food, such as spinach, lettuce, cabbage, etc. are eaten as food. Next, identify which part of the plant is this? Yes, children. Good. Flower. Flowers are the most beautiful part of the plant. Flowers are the most beautiful part of the plant. Flowers are of many colors and shapes. Some flowers are big and some flowers are small. Some of the common flowers are lotus, rose, marigold, jasmine, sunflower, hibiscus, etc. Some of the common flowers. Flowers that we eat are broccoli and cauliflower. We eat as food. Next, which part is this? Yes, identify, children. Yes, good. Fruit. Fruits are the products of reproduction in plants. The most essential component from which reproduction starts, that is the seed, is present in the fruit. Therefore, they act as a protective layer for seeds. Some of the fruits that we eat are orange, mango, apple, grapes, etc. Yes, identify this part. Yes, seed. The hard part inside the fruit is called seed. Most plants grow from seeds. Most plants grow from seeds. Some fruit seeds we eat are pomegranate. We eat seeds of pomegranate, fig, guava, kiwi, etc. We do not eat seed of apple. Yes or no, children? We do not eat seed of apple, chiku, mango and many other fruits. We do not eat seed. All plants are not alike. Yes or no, children? All plants are not alike. They have different shapes and sizes. Their leaves, stems and fruits may also look different. You can see in this picture, children. They have different shapes and sizes. Their leaves, stems and fruits also look different. Let us learn types of plants. Children, big plants. Some plants are big. They are called trees. Some plants are big. They are called trees. They have thick and broad stems. They have thick and broad stems. They usually live for many years. Examples: neem tree, mango tree. Small plants. Some small plants have woody stem. They are called bushes or shrubs. They have woody stem. Shrubs or bushes are smaller than trees. For example, rose plant. Then hibiscus plant are shrubs. Some plants are small and have weak stems. Some plants are small and have weak stems. They are called herbs. For example, mint. Mint plants are small and have weak stems. They are called herbs. Then next one is basil. Plants that need support. Some plants with weak stems cannot stand straight. They need support from other things to grow. Such plants are called climbers. For example, money plant, pea plant. See, they have plants with weak stems cannot stand straight. They need support from other things to grow. Such plants are called climbers. Next, some plants grow and spread on the ground. Some plants grow and spread on the ground. They are called creepers. For example, watermelon, pumpkin. These are the examples of creepers. Children, we see many plants around us. They are of different types. Yes or no? Some such plants are given below. Can you tell their types? Yes, children? Let us see. See, which plant is this? Yes, coconut tree. Coconut tree is which type of plant? Yes, tree. Big and strong plants are called tree. Next, identify which type of plant is this? Yes, children. Watermelon is which type of plant? Yes, creeper. Next, money plant. Money plant is which type of plant? Yes, tell me. Yes, climber. Yes, identify which type of plant is this, children? Rose plant is which type of plant? Yes, shrub or bush. Next, basil. Basil is which type of plant? Yes, children, tell me. Herb. Yes. Plants around us help us in many ways. So, we should protect them. To protect means we must take care of plants. Yes or no, children? We must take care of plants. They help us in many ways. They give us fruits, vegetables, flowers and many things. They are useful in many ways. So, we should protect them. Plants make the air clean. Yes or no, children? Plants make the air clean. What can we do to protect plants? We must plant more and more trees. We must plant more and more trees. We must not cut trees. We must not cut trees. We should water them regularly. We should water them regularly. We must not pluck leaves and flowers. Plants make our earth beautiful. We must eat a lot of fruits and vegetables. They make us healthy. Let's do an activity. Okay, children? Unseen to seen. You have seen seeds of plants. Yes or no, children? See. You have seen seeds of plants. They don't move. They don't move. You cannot see them breathe. Yes or no? You cannot see them breathe. Are they living things or non-living things? Let's do an activity. Okay? For this, you will need 10 to 12 mustard seeds. You will need 10 to 12 mustard seeds. Then cotton. You will need cotton. Next, you need a petri dish. You need petri dish. Then water. You need water. Then you need to spread the cotton inside the dish. Children, you need to spread the cotton inside the petri dish. Then soak the cotton with water. You have to soak the cotton with water. Spread the mustard seeds over the cotton. Spread the mustard seeds over the cotton as shown in the picture. Cover the dish with the lid. Cover the dish with the lid. Keep it in a cool corner of the room. Keep it in a cool corner of the room. See the changes after 3 to 4 days. You have to leave it for 3 to 4 days and see the changes. See here, children. What do you see? What happened to the seeds? Yes, children, tell me. What happened to the seeds? Seeds are living things. Seeds are living things, but they remain like non-living things. Yes or no, children? They remain like non-living things. When they get water and right conditions, they grow into plants. When they get water and right conditions, they grow into plants. Points to remember. I hope you will do this activity in home with the help of your parents. Okay, children? Points to remember. Children, let us see what we have learnt in this lesson. Plants are of different shapes and sizes. Plants are of different shapes and sizes. Like us, plants too have different parts. Yes or no? They have roots, stem, leaves, flowers and fruits. Each part of the plant has its own function. Each part of the plant has its own function. The big and small plants, the big and strong plants are called trees. The big and strong plants are called trees. Small and weak plants are called herbs. Plants that are small and have soft, thin, weak stem are called herbs. Shrubs are smaller than trees but bigger than herbs. Shrubs are smaller than trees. Plants that need support of stakes, walls or other plants are called climbers. Children, plants that need support of stakes, walls or other plants are called climbers. Plants that grow along the ground are called creepers. Plants that grow along the ground are called creepers. I hope you have understood this lesson. See you in the next session. Thank you.